There are lots of cool and sometimes funny things to watch and see when you go online. But there are also some dangerous things that appear online, and we must be careful to stay away from these things. For example, imagine you see a video or picture online showing you how to hurt somebody. That's dangerous, right? Or videos and pictures of a real-life or made-up event of people fighting each other. Such videos and pictures are called violent content, and anytime they appear online, you should do your best not to watch these videos or pictures. We know some of you will say, "Oh, but we don't want to hurt anyone, we just want to watch it for fun." We still encourage you not to watch such videos and even go ahead to report such content. Why? Hurting somebody is not a good thing, right? We all know that. We all know it's very wrong. It's also against all the laws in the world. But do you know that the more you watch such violent content of people getting hurt, when you do see people get hurt in real life, it becomes normal to you, and slowly but surely, you stop seeing it as wrong. Once you stop believing that it is wrong for people to hurt each other, instead of stopping fights when you see them, you may cheer on because it's normal or even entertainment. Is that the kind of person you want to be? Someone who allows another person to get hurt? We hope not. Moreover, by watching such content, even if you don't know it, you're indirectly learning how to hurt people. Let's imagine that one day you get really angry at someone. You might lash out and, unfortunately, use what you've learned from those violent videos to hurt the person. This puts you in trouble. Something you don't want, right? That's another reason to stay away from watching violent content. So now you know how to stay away from online violent content. What other online content should you avoid? Imagine you watch a video or see a picture online that shows you how to hurt or harm yourself. That's also extremely dangerous, right? Such videos and content are called self-harm content and should be avoided at all costs. Should you see any content online asking you to watch, read of any such content, avoid it and report it. You are precious and loved, and any video that is teaching you how to harm yourself only wants to put you in danger. So, precious one, avoid self-harm content and don't put yourself in danger. So far, you know how to avoid violent content online and self-harm content. Did you know that you should also avoid obscene and offensive content? Such content includes rude or vulgar language like swear or curse words, and also includes content of people engaging in sexual acts. Why should you avoid obscene and offensive content? Do you know that the more you listen to or hear vulgar language or swear words, the more likely it is that you will also start using such language in your conversations? Now imagine you're talking to your parents and you're upset, and unexpectedly you use a swear word or vulgar language. Oops, that would be unfortunate, right? To avoid unexpectedly using such language when you speak, it is best not to listen to such language. And why should you not watch content of people engaging in sexual acts? Because sexual acts should ideally be reserved for adults who are in committed and long-lasting relationships. So why watch such videos if you're not old enough yet? We are sure you do not want to be tempted to engage in such acts which can lead to unwanted consequences. So our best advice to you, avoid watching content of people engaged in sexual acts. So what should you not watch? You now know not to watch violent content online, self-harm online content, and obscene and offensive content. Is there any other online content you should avoid? Yes, you should definitely avoid hate content. Hate content is anything online that is meant to insult, discriminate, degrade, embarrass, or bully an individual or a group of people. Remember we told you that it's always good to be kind online, right? Being kind online does not only mean you should not post bad or insulting things about people online, but it also means that you should ignore posts that others have put online that insult, bully, embarrass other people. Finally, you should also avoid fake news. Fake news is any information online that is not true. How will you know if something posted online is not true? The first way to check is to make sure that the person or the website that has posted the information can be trusted and is well known. In addition, you can also check if something posted online is true by checking if other online sites have also published the same information. And as you check, make sure that those sites too are trusted and well known. So you see, there are lots of cool and sometimes funny things to watch and see when you go online. But there are also some dangerous things that appear online, and we must be careful to stay away from violent content, self-harm content, obscene and offensive content, hate content, and fake news.